Sambong is considered as one of the most potent herbal medicine in many countries. Good news is, it can be planted almost everywhere in the country, even with little space in your house. Sambong has many medicinal properties. The best way to extract sambong is to make it as your everyday tea. Here at Banner Media, we will teach you how to make your everyday own sambong tea. First, let your sambong leaves be sun-dried. Second, shred the leaves to bits of pieces. Fun fact 1. Drinking sambong tea can help your body flush out excessive liquids through urine. It can expel toxins in your body. Fun fact 2. Because if detoxify, sambong can help your liver and protects it from toxins that may cause liver damage. Fun fact 3. Sambong leaves helps flushing out excess sodium from the blood that indirectly help you lower blood pressure. Fun fact 4. Drinking sambong tea help reduce fever. Try boiling it and mix the water in your bath. Fun fact 5. The Department of Health promotes the use of sambong tea to help dissolve kidney stones. My husband and son tried it and it works wonders in their urinary tract. Third, carefully put the shredded leaves inside tea bags that can be commercially bought. Fun fact 6. Sambong can also help relieve menstrual pain, bloating, and stimulate blood flow in the pelvic. Fun fact 7. Sambong may also contain anti-cancer properties since it fights free radicals. Fun fact 8. If you are suffering from arthritis, boiling sambong roots and drinking it can help relieve the pain. And fourth, pour hot water and enjoy your tea.